For industries managing heavy machinery, turning raw oil sample data into actionable maintenance insights is critical for asset longevity. Today, we are exploring the Fabric Data Agent, a sophisticated tool that leverages Microsoft Fabric to analyze oil condition metrics and automate predictive maintenance workflows. Let's examine the capabilities of the Fabric Data Agent. In this demonstration, you will see how we can interact with complex datasets using simple natural language. In this specific scenario, we are asking the agent to retrieve oil sample information collected within the last 6 months. The Fabric Data Agent immediately begins analyzing the request. Using a natural language prompt, it generates the specific code required to execute the query against the oil sample data semantic model. You can see the code being generated in real time as it prepares to pull the relevant health metrics from the database. In just a few seconds, the user is presented with the retrieved data. In addition to the raw results, the Fabric Data Agent provides a concise summary of the findings in plain language, making complex information easier to digest. Furthermore, the agent annotates the results and suggests specific next steps or recommendations based on the data trends. This allows maintenance teams to act quickly on potential issues like contamination or wear before they lead to unplanned downtime. By bridging the gap between deep data analytics and maintenance planning, the Fabric Data Agent acts as a powerful analytical engine. It ensures fleet operators can monitor asset health with precision, extending equipment life cycles and protecting operational productivity.